Peach and Custard Danish Pastry. Ingredients: 2 egg yolks, 100 ml cream, 50 ml condensed milk, 100 ml water, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 sheets frozen puff pastry, each sheet cut into 4 squares, 1 large can peaches, sliced thinly, vanilla custard, 1 egg, beaten. Ingredients: in a saucepan combine cornstarch and water, mix thoroughly until free of lumps. Add condensed milk, cream, vanilla extract and egg yolks, mix evenly. Place on top of stove using low heat, constantly stirring until it thickens. Preheat oven for 200°C. Place cut pastries on greased baking pan, then brush edges with beaten eggs. Put a thin layer of vanilla custard on the middle, roughly a spoonful. Place peach slices on top of the custard. Place in the oven for 10 minutes.